Welcome to Trevor's Home Adventures. Today I'm going to show you how to build Lego Captain Toad. Guys, if you remember, I built Lego Princess Peach, Lego Luigi, and yeah, that's it. This is going to be our third Lego Mario character tutorial. And guys, I can't believe that Lego Princess Peach is really coming out this year. Like, it's so funny. Like, actually build the character, and then that's the second time it's happened. I didn't even know it was gonna happen. So guys, you're gonna want these pieces that are right here that I have. You're gonna want these kind of pieces. So grab a red pair of shoes, which they have for the red Koopa Troopa and some of the Mario sets. And then you're gonna want to put this piece right here, and then one of these right here. Now guys, you're gonna want to put, what I say. Now you're gonna put this under here. Flip it around, put it under here. Oops. Then you're gonna put this on top of that, and then now guys, you're gonna need to grab two of these things, but before you do that, put a Toad's hand into both of those. So then you're gonna want one on this side. Put them here. Now, there, that part is. Now you're gonna add that thing to the hooks, guys. I need to go get that. Sorry. Gonna put that on. Now put this red piece right here, and then you have to start on Toad's head. So, like that, and then put this red piece right here, and that. Then put this gray piece right here, and then that. So, hold on, let me go get the head. Don't stop watching, okay? Now, put this on. Now you snap it onto his head, and you got Captain Toad. So yeah, guys, I believe this is one of my best designs for a Lego Mario character. Yeah, guys. So yeah, I hope a lot of you guys love this video and tutorial, and like and subscribe.